Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you in the kitchen, okay, with another wonderful video. And as you know, I'm in the kitchen cooking dinner, all right? But while I'm in here, I forgot to put this video out, and I figured, you know what? Let me do it now. So this is going to be a healthy Christmas punch that you can create for people who do not drink alcohol. Also for the children, all right? So this is an easy, refreshing drink, and it's delicious, okay? It's not for weight loss, but it is a healthy drink. Now, what you're going to need in this is some grapefruit juice, okay? If you don't have grapefruit juice, the best drink to get is orange juice, all right? I ran out of orange juice, so this is another substitution if you don't want it as sweet, okay? We're also going to be working with our cranberry, and this is a combination of cranberry and pomegranate. All right, I didn't get the full cranberry, but you get cranberry juice, okay? 100% cranberry juice, but this is a combination. Now, we're also going to be working with some pineapple juice, okay? This is 100% pineapple juice. It's freshly pressed, okay, and it's not from concentrated, and it's organic. So, pure pineapple juice. And to give it some fizzle, we're going to be working with our Schweppes. Okay, ginger ale. This is a wonderful thing around this time of the year for all your Christmas drinks. And for garnishment, we're going to be also working with our mint leaves, freshly washed mint leaves. A few sprigs. And in this video, you're going to need a pitcher. So get your pitcher ready, and we're going to start this video off right now. Okay, so to start off, you're going to need 2 cups of orange juice. But since we don't have orange juice, you can also substitute it with some grapefruit juice. So 2 cups of that. And your portion size can be according to how many guests you're making this for. Alright. Cut out. Alright, so 2 cups. Now we're going to be working with 2 cups of our cranberry. Alright. And for all your natural juices, you're going to need to shake it up. So we're going to throw 2 cups of that in there as well. And we're going to be working with 1 cup of our pineapple juice. Now we're also going to be added in 1 cup of our ginger ale. Okay. And lastly, we're going to add our mint leaves in for garnishment. And that's it, y'all. Easy, easy, easy. And you can add in as much or as little of each of these ingredients as you choose. If you want more pineapple juice, you can add more pineapple juice. If you want more soda, you know, that fizzle, you can add more of that in there. And that's it. Okay. You can add your ice cubes to it. Oh, yes. Very good, very delicious. And like I said, if you choose not to use, if you don't want it so sweet with the orange juice, I suggest try the grapefruit juice. It really gave it a nice flavor. And for me, I think I want to add a little bit more fizzle in here. This is a wonderful beverage for you to make for the kids, for those that don't drink. So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thumbs up this video and share it with your friends and family on your social media platform, Facebook, Twitter, whatever you got. Share these videos and help your friends out. Okay, this is a wonderful beverage that is much healthier than just drinking sodas. Okay, delicious and fruity and festive. And you guys, don't forget to check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will get hair care videos, skincare videos, fashion hauls, family challenges, and more. Okay? So thank you again for joining me. Don't forget, enjoy your wonderful day with your friends and family. And I will see you again in the next video. Welcome YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel. And this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.